Those are berries on the tree. Check them out. This is a very big berry tree. Check. This is a tree and it has berries on them. I wonder what type of berries these are, but they're very nice. They're sweet berries. See? They're sweet, nice berries. 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 At my mother's house. We have some bananas in the background. We have a little garden. That's a chicken run. And that's the house in the back. We have a mango tree. The mangoes are coming out now. Let me show you. Check out this little tree. Isn't it so pretty? Isn't that so pretty? We have a mango tree here. It's a mango tree. It has mangoes coming out, and this is almost September month end. By December these mangoes will be ready. This is the back of my mom's house and my dad's house, and well, the grass is a little bit dry, haven't been watered. Check that tree in the back. Don't you love this little cute tree here? What else am I going to show you? There's an avocado tree in the back, the other side. I'll maybe show you later. I may show you later. It's a little cottage in the back where my brother Dominic lives. Let me show you a peach tree. Oh yeah, we hang clothes outside in Zambia. We hang clothes outside. Yeah, this is a peach tree. It's also coming out. As you can see, these are peaches. These are peaches. Okay, peaches. That's a little guava tree. It's also coming out. Everything is budding out now. That's guava. Guava. And there's a banana. This banana is almost going to fall. That's a banana. It's a banana tree. There are pawpaws, papaya. Papaya. There's a palm tree. There's a little garden. Okay, I want to show you something. So here we go. All my peppers are here. Ha 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 ha. Yeah. What else? Then there is a lemon tree. Yeah, this is a lemon tree. But there are no lemons yet. Lemon tree. And an avocado tree. This is an avocado tree. Another peach tree. That's peach. Avocado. I see some avocados. Where are they? Here, there's a big one here. Avocado. There's an avocado. Avocados. There you go. They're coming up. It's an avocado tree. Oh, I like to be outside here. And I love this palm tree. Yeah. There's another guava tree down there. palm tree. Okay, show is over.